Madhya Pradesh, where Congress spokesman K.K. Mishra has been granted bail in the defamation case filed against him by the state government. This, of course, was in relation to the MP exam scam. Hemendra is on the phone line. Hemendra, yes, take us through the details.
Well, K.K. Mishra has been granted bail on a personal bond of 25,000 rupees. K.K. Mishra had alleged that the Chief Minister's wife was also involved in this scam and had alleged that transport constables recruited by the Professional Education Board of Madhya Pradesh had actually selected 19 constables from Gondia, the home district of the Chief Minister's wife. On these allegations, the Chief Minister and the state government, in fact, had filed a defamation case against K.K. Mishra, and today K.K. Mishra appeared in court and he was granted bail on a personal bond of 25,000 rupees.
Now, this, of course, has been an issue, Hemendra, that the opposition in Madhya Pradesh has been gunning the Chief Minister, has been after the Chief Minister for. Clearly, with K.K. Mishra now coming out of jail, are we looking at the opposition's attack getting fiercer once again?
Well, yes, K.K. Mishra, in fact, has, even before applying for bail in this case, had once again threatened that once he gets bail in this defamation case, he would be filing a CD in court and also the call details. And he has also taken certain names. And he has said that there is no way that the Congress is going to step back. And in fact, they are going to fight it out legally as well as politically. So this thing, the way the defamation case was not filed by the Chief Minister's family himself, and instead the state government filed the defamation case, the Congress has got a political weapon and they are using it to the hilt.